हेलो एवरीवन। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जीरो एसोसिएशन। तो आज हम लोग एमपीपीएससी के जो अपने क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज चल रही थी उसके आगे ही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेंसिटिविटी एनालिसिस इज अ स्टडी ऑफ कंपैरिजन ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, कंपैरिजन ऑफ एसेट एंड लायबिलिटीज, चेंजेस इन आउटपुट ड्यू टू चेंजेस इन इनपुट, इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ cost and benefit of the project. So option number C is my correct answer. Changes in output due to changes in input. This is called the sensitivity analysis of okay. So the next question is, if एक numerical है, if the excavation of the earth is done manually, then the cost of 100 rupees per cubic meter, a machine can excavate the fixed cost of 40,000 plus the variable cost of 20 per cubic, the quantity of the earth for which the cost of the excavation by the machine will be equal to the cost of excavation by the machine will be equal to the cost of the manual excavation is. So इसके लिए सिंपल सा मान लेते हैं, let the earth excavated by x cubic, so 100x will be equal to 40,000 plus 20x. 80x will be equal to 40,000. X will be equal to 500 cubic meters. So this is my answer. The next question is, while the assessing rate of the return on certain investment, the investor assumes certain interest rate. The calculus his net present value of all his cost inflow and outflow. Which of the following will be correct? तो इसके लिए रेट ऑफ रिटर्न जो होता है will be equal to current value minus original value divided by original value into 100. ओके, टोटल का 100 हम परसेंटेज निकाल लेते हैं. सो इट नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव. अगर नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हुई, the for the assumed value of interest rate, the actual rate of return will be higher. So option number A is my correct answer. If the net present value is positive for the assumed value of interest rate, the actual rate of return will be higher than the assumed interest rate. Now the next question is, the system of organization introduced by F.W. Taylor is known as. So F.W. Taylor introduced functional organization. Option number B. Okay. The next question is, liquidated damage refers to. So liquidated damage also referred to as liquidated and ascendant damage are damage whose amount the parties designed during the formation of the contract for the injured party to collect as composition upon the specific branch late performance. So option number D, penalty for the delaying the work beyond agreed date. Now the next question is, the streaming having wetted area of 500 meter cube and the wetted perimeter is 150 meter, hydraulic mean radius in meter is. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. तो hydraulic mean radius R will be equal to A by P, 500 divided by 150. This is meter cube and this is meter square. So 3.33. Sorry, both are meter square. Option number B is my correct answer. Now the next question is, the groundwater containment with TCE is treated with powdered activated carbon by Saurabh isotherm, EQ 129, this is 0.75, where EQ mass of the adenine and PAC TEG is certain to dissolve. तो डायरेक्ट मैं इसको सॉल्व करके बता देता हूँ. तो इसमें दिखाएगा required CEQ equal to 0.005 mg per liter, यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. Now the QEQ required for CEQ will be equal to 0.005 mg per liter. Okay, so QEQ will be equal to 129 0.005 पावर 0.73. तो ये आ जाएगा मेरे पास 2.6967. तो यहां से मैं ये लिख सकता हूं कि what can I write? Just QEQ will be equal to mass of PCE absorbed divided by mass of PAL. So 1 mg minus 0.005 mg divided by x mg per liter. So this will become 2.6967. Okay. So x will be equal to 0.995 divided by 2.6967, जो यहाँ पर आया था हमारे पास. वैल्यूज रख देंगे mg पर लीटर. तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा 0.369 per liter. Option number A is my correct answer. So the next question is, a fitted bed composed of 12 inches of uniform authenticate with the average size of 1.6 mm for the fitted nitrate age of 4 gallon per feet square. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पर जो values हैं वो fit में दी हुई हैं, so we have to change the values to the other. So 1 meter equal to 3.28 foot. Then after P equal to 1.091 into 10 to the power minus 5 feet square per second. So we just convert this. So we got 1.091 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 3.28 square meter square per second. So this will become 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, meter square per second. So for RE, we have to find the values. So for here, so RE will be equal to rho VD by mu. So this will become capital V by D by V, या फिर nu. So this will become value of capital V equal to 160 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 605. This is meter cube and this is meter square. So value will become 8 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second. Then small d is 0.5 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So RE equal to 8 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.5 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole divided by 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 6. जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो RE की वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारे पास 2.15. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज माय करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, a solution has 100 mg per liter aluminous ion. Calculate the oxygen required. So for the oxygen required, this is 2NH4 plus 3O2 plus O2, which gives 2NO3 plus 2H2O. So hence, for 2 into 18 mg of ammonium, we required 4 into 32 mg of oxygen. For 100 mg of ammonium, oxygen required is 4 into 32 divided by 2 into 18 into 100. This will become 355. And option number A is my correct. Option number A is my for today. This is sufficient. Okay. Thank you.